my beautiful people near and far. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got another recipe what I am going to share with you guys, and it is an asthma recipe, and I'm about to show you. I'm going to use some papaya, pineapple and apple, and I am about to start. I'm using one whole papaya. I've already cut up half of it, so I am going to cut up the next half. I'm just going to simply remove the seed from my papaya. Simply remove the seed, and then I'm going to simply remove the skin. Just cutting it up in small pieces. Just going to give it a quick rinse. Just going to give my pineapple a quick rinse. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of honey to my fruits. I'm going to add enough water to cover my fruits. finish. Just remove. Oh, that is looking really good, all thick and nice. So I'm just going to start straining my juice. It's looking really thick and rich. Papaya is full of vitamins, got vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin F. And apple has got vitamin C. And pineapple is also full of vitamin C. And this juice is very good for people who suffer from asthma. And we are now approaching winter, so we need to keep our body healthy. I'm just gonna strain it once more to make sure it's properly strained. So you can see it's coming out nicely, and it's also looking very rich and delicious. Wow, this is looking really, really good. And I'm gonna have a taste, guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about my juice. So I'm just gonna have a taste now. Really nice. It's really, really very tasty. Oh my God, I love this juice. Really nice. Guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice. I'm out. See you soon in my next video.